Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this look. So let's go. Okay, so first you start off with whatever base makeup you're wearing. I have my foundation, concealer, and all of that stuff on. And then you pick your favorite palette of choice. Today I'm going to be using the Bretman Rock by Wet n Wild Jungle Rock. It is my favorite palette. So first things first, you're gonna need some tape, any type, scotch, literally anything. You can even get makeup tape. I think that's a thing. I could be completely wrong. I'm not a professional, okay? And then you're just gonna put it right here and right here. I will show you. Like this. So I'm going to show you this eye and then do this eye off of camera. So first I'm going to take my brush of choice and dip it into this one. It's called Flamingo. And I'm just going to get a little bit on it, like pack it on there, but not too much. And you're going to grab your mirror or whatever you're looking at and just on like the lids, your eyelids, just like dab it a little bit on there so it gets on there. But do not pack it on there or else it won't look as well. Okay. Okay, then you're going to dip into that same color and put it along the tape. Like this. Because when you take the tape off, it will look really nice. Now you can do this look with any colors that you'd like, but I'm doing pink and white and purple, or yes, purple. So I'm going to dip into Coconut Connoisseur. I don't know how to say that, but it's like a white color, and I am just going to get a little bit on there, and I'm going to put it on the top of, not like over it, but above where I just put the pink. And you want it to like show a lot, so you're just gonna put like a bunch, but do not pack it all at once, just do layers because it will look better in the end. So I'm gonna do like so. Then I am going to dip into Liar and a Cheetah, which is this sparkly one. I use it frequently. And for this part you want it to be sparkly because you want it to have a little bit of shimmer. So you get some of that, preferably a good amount. And you just go over everything just like this, and make sure to get it on where you went on top of the tape, like a lot, so that it shows a pretty good shine right there. And then make sure to get a little bit on the white, but not as much as on the pink, because you still want the white to be showing. Yes, and then you just keep on doing that, and you just get as much as a shine as you want until you are satisfied. And you keep doing that. And then you want a different color now, but you would like it to look good with your base color that you already have. So I'm gonna dip into Feline myself. It's like a purple shade. And I'm gonna get just a little bit, but just enough so you can see it. And I'm gonna put it over in like this area of my eye and just like dab it there so it's not too much, but it's still noticeable. You can still see it, because you want to be able to see it, but you don't want it to stand out as much as you want the pink or the shimmer. And you do that, and then you grab your pink again that you used base and make sure to go over it again if you made any mistakes. Or you could use your concealer. I just like to put more pink on it because then it adds a little bit of like flair. And then you just add more sparkle on to the part where the tape is at, like so. And right now it looks really weird, but when you take it off, it's gonna look a lot better. And I'm going to dip into a little bit of white with my finger and put that above the purple as well so that you can still see it. Like so. Okay, now it's time to take the tape off. This is actually pretty satisfying. So I'm just going to, if I can grab it. Okay, I'll do it from this side and take it off like so. And it's going to look like that. And as you see, there's a little bit of pink here. The tape might take off a little bit of your base face makeup, like foundation or something. You just got to touch it up later. And you want to touch up any edges. So for example, like right here. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and just touch up right there. As so. And as you see, it looks like a sharp edge. You don't even need eyeliner because this kind of shows it for you. And then I am going to grab my highlighter. So grab your highlighter of choice. Mine definitely just happens to be at the bottom of my travel makeup thing. So I have this highlighter, and you don't want to get it with a brush. You actually want it with your fingers, but make sure your fingers are clean. You just get a little bit and put it on your brow bone, but make sure it's not too much so it doesn't look weird. So you just put it on your brow bone and touch it up like that. Okay, and I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I did the other eye. Now you are going to grab your choice of mascara, or I usually curl my eyelashes first, so we're gonna do that, and then mascara. I just curl them a little bit because I don't want them fully curled, so I'm just gonna put on my mascara. You can use whatever mascara you want, but I am doing Dramatilash Defining Mascara. This one. And I'm just gonna put on mascara. Like so. And I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you. Okay, I did my mascara. I don't really like dramatic mascara, or like, this is called Dramatilash, but I don't really like that much dramatic lash. I just like it simple. Now on to the cheek portion. Now you're going to take the same palette and you're going to take the same base color. I did pink, and you're just going to put like it all over your cheeks, kind of like blush, just like everywhere, and a lot of it, because you want it to stand out. That is the best for it to stand out, because this is a very standout-ish look. A lot of people think I would use blush, and you could if you have a similar color, but I'm just using the same color and palette that I used for my eyes. And when you have enough pink or whatever color you're using and you're satisfied, then you can stop like so. Then I take the same white color that I used up on this eye, and I just make little clouds, but with my finger, because if you do it with your finger, it looks more realistic. And if your white isn't as pigmented, you can go over it a bunch of times, because you want the white to look, you want to be able to see it, you know. So like this, as so. Like, okay, so there's a little cloud, and I'm just going to go over it with the white more because my white isn't very pigmented. And I'm just going to do that. And we're only doing this on one side. And then, see, there's a cloud. Then it's not the best cloud, but you could make it look however you want because clouds are not perfect. And then you just make another one, a smaller one on this side. But you can do as many clouds as you want and whatever shape you want because it is your makeup look. You can do whatever you'd like. I'm just making them a little more rounder, like so. Sorry, I say that a lot. And I'm gonna fill this one in a little bit more, like so. Oh, I said it again. And if you look at it, it kind of looks like powdered sugar or something, which is kind of cool. So there you have your clouds. You can make them look however you want, like I said. And then next thing, there's not much left. Next, you just have to get, you can put lipstick on. I just use Carmex, and I just put it on my lips, and because they give it a little bit of shine, like so. There was a bee outside my window. It was big too. And you just do that, and then there you have it. That's the look. So I hope you guys really liked this video. I'm sorry it wasn't the best, but yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys have the best rest of your day. Bye.